See, Dr. Thokchand Mania, he is not there.
No, here, madam, this side. Here. Thank you, madam. Madam Speaker, I rise to raise an urgent matter of public importance. My state, Manipur, and the Northeast India is now on the boil, demanding the immediate withdrawal of the Citizenship Amendment Bill 2016. The whole state was on no work yesterday. Every day there are some forms of strike, dharna in public places, rallies on national highways. Manipuri student bodies, CSOs, and elderly women of Ima Market, Manipur, protested at Jantar Mantar on 30th January 2019, demanding withdrawal of the Citizenship Act, which was hurriedly passed by the Lok Sabha on the last day of the winter session 2018, after the JPC had submitted its non-unanimous report on the previous day, amidst boycott by the principal opposition Indian National Congress Party.
Yes.
Even on the day of passing the bill, there were complete upsurge in the entire Northeast. If the bill is passed, if the bill is not withdrawn immediately, the fallout will be very dangerous and the situation will be out of control. I strongly condemn the action of Delhi police, arresting and manhandling our elderly women protesters without a single women police person. My party, Indian National Congress, and almost all political parties in Manipur have rushed to the capital, Delhi, for lobbying the withdrawal of the bill. If the bill is passed in its present form, there will arise a huge demographic challenge in the Northeast in general and Manipur in particular. My state, Manipur, got merged into Union of India in 49. Under the infamous Manipur Merger Agreement 49, this merger was reportedly rejected by the Manipur Assembly. Interestingly, this merger agreement was never ratified by the Parliament of India. Now I urge upon the Union government to immediately take action for ratification of this merger agreement by the Parliament of India. With the introduction of the Citizens Amendment Bill 2016 is passing of the merger money status. Madam, one line, only one line. Only one line. With the introduction of the Citizens Amendment Bill 2016 and is passing in Lok Sabha, the people of Manipur now start talking or demanding the pre-merger status of Manipur, the eastward nation state. Hence, I strongly urge upon the Union government to immediately withdraw the Citizens Amendment Bill 2016 in the best interest of all concerned. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.